Samsung, in contrast to Apple, is concentrating on creating a truly flagship slim smartphone with the Galaxy S25 Slim, not just a thinner gadget. For individuals who don't care about the S Pen, our exciting enhancements on this model may make it a compelling substitute for the S25 Ultra. According to ICE Universe, Apple's iPhone 17 Slim and Samsung's S25 Slim take distinct approaches. Samsung intends to outfit the Slim with more robust camera hardware, better even than the standard S25, instead of solely emphasizing thinness and lightweight. According to earlier reports, the S25 Slim would have a 200MP primary camera in addition to a 50MP telephoto and 50MP ultra-wide cameras with 3.5x optical zoom. Here is a comparison of the S25 Slim with the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra for perspective. The Slim has a better camera system than the S25 and S25 Plus, and although it can't match the Ultra's zoom, it's surprisingly close. You may be wondering how Samsung is able to pack such sophisticated cameras onto such a little gadget. Their recently released all-lenses-on prism technology might hold the key. This invention allows for a streamlined design without sacrificing functionality by positioning the camera lenses horizontally inside the phone's body. Where Samsung may showcase this technology was unclear, but new reports point to the Galaxy S25 Slim. The S25 Slim may have a periscope telephoto camera. That's a big improvement for a thin phone, even with a 3.5x zoom. Unless Samsung uses some next-generation technology that enables increased capacity without taking up additional space, it is difficult to imagine them fitting a large battery. There may not be much space left for a larger battery because Samsung isn't taking any shortcuts with the cameras as Apple does. Hardware-wise, the S25 Slim will fall between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. Although you've undoubtedly heard this a million times already, One UI 7 appears to be Samsung's most significant update to date, particularly in terms of animations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.